Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to capture your computer screen on Windows 10 or 11 without using the physical print screen button on your keyboard. So it's a very straightforward process using different built-in tools. So let's jump right in. Now method 1, first open your start menu and type on-screen keyboard, and that will bring you this one. Once the application is opened, you will see a virtual keyboard appearing in front of you. So now on the keyboard, just simply locate and click on PrtScn. This key stands for print screen. Once you click on it, you can use one of these snipping options at the top of the screen, such as freeform, window mode, or full screen mode. To capture your desired area, just let me take a screenshot. Then it will be saved to your clipboard, which you can see right over here. So that was the first method. Another method is to just simply press your window key, then your shift key, and lastly S key, and that will again bring that same tool over here. All you have to do is take your desired image, and again, it will be saved on your clipboard, which you can see right over here. And for the third method, simply open Snipping Tool. So type Snipping Tool on your search menu and open this option. Now, once the application is open, you will find a small pop-up window over here. You can create a new snip by selecting your desired mode, which you can see right over here. Now, if you want, you can directly choose whatever you want, or click on New, and the default Snipping Tool option will appear in front of you. Then take your desired screenshot, and that will open the saved image. On the Snipping Tool application over here, you will have the option to edit the image if you want to, using the options available at the top bar. Or you can directly save the image to your desired location, or you can just simply copy it to the clipboard. Those are 3 easy methods to capture your screen without using the physical print screen button. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more guides like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.